Hey, what's up guys? Got another video for y'all today. I'm heading out to a no heat call, and this is a vacant house. They have a heat pump system that's not very old. It's only a couple years old, and I guess the property owner let me know that that it's not working, and I'm not sure really what's going on with it, but they're gonna have me go out and take a look and see what I find. So y'all stay tuned. Here we go. All right guys, we have made it. Grab my bag here. Actually, I'll put my knee pads on first. So to get to this air handler, I was told, since I've never been here, you have to get up on the roof to get to this air handler apparently. So I'll probably be kneeling down a lot doing that. So anyway, let's grab the bag here. Let's walk inside to the thermostat first. That's pretty funny. All right, ladies and gents, here's the thermostat. The heat is on, and I heard it going. I heard it's blowing through the vents. It's only stage 1, so that was the outdoor unit. And I looked out the window, and it is not running. So that's where we're gonna go first. Here we go. All right, there's our unit, the Amana Special. Okay, and look at that power wire. That doesn't look very safe. All right, let's get this thing opened up. All right, so we are locked out on the core sense. Three flash codes. Let's see here. Red lock flash, short cycling. Short cycling, okay. Let me put my probes on here, see if we got any refrigerant in this thing. .158 standing pressure. It's definitely not out, and doesn't seem to be low. But let's reset this power here. Reset to clear this code, and we'll turn it on and see what it does. One, two, three, 4, 5. right, probably gonna be a 5-minute delay. Got red. Sure, we got power. Still see a red light. Yep, 240 volt. Let me check my low voltage. Oops. 26 volts. All right, let's wait for it to come back on. All right, guys, so got it reset. It's back running. Here's my initial pressures after startup, but they are coming up nicely. I noticed that somebody has bypassed the low pressure switch on this unit. See, it's wing nutted here, wing nutted there. I'm gonna monitor it, guys, and there's a pretty good chance this dang core sense is just malfunctioning. But I'm gonna check over my key points here, but definitely going to be bypassing this before I leave today. Alright guys, so got power killed to it. Refrigerant charge looks perfect. So what I'm going to do now, I'll show y'all how I bypass these core sense, since they are the biggest piece of junk ever made. Basically, so coming out of this core sense module, you'll have what we call prot wire. This prot wire goes to your common side of the contactor. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pull this prot wire off, pull it back up through. Basically, you can just pull this completely out of the circuit. I always like to just tie them up and leave them in the unit, just in case we ever got to do any warranty work or warranty or a warranty type deal. That way we can hook it back up if we have to. So I'm just going to leave this laying right there. Basically, all you do now is you find your common that's going into the core sense. Basically, all you got to do is just pull your common off of the core sense. This comes from the defrost control board. So basically, you just pull your common undone, and you're going to feed your common wire from the defrost board, and you're just going to stick it where the prot wire was. This will be your common side of your contactor, and that is all you have to do to get this bypass, so it can no longer kill the system. So common wire from core sense to contactor, you just pull your prot wire out. Make sure these are tight because I pulled on them. And basically your power here is still, basically your wires here for R and Y, they're not really going through the core sense completely, so that's why they can stay on there. All right, well, that's going to take care of that. I can fire it back up. All right, guys, well, this system is back going great. I found absolutely zero issues that could be causing a short cycling code on a core sense module. So when you can't find nothing, more times than not, it's going to be the module itself just messing up. So got that bypassed, and yeah, this system's running great, so we can move on to the next one. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hope some of y'all learned some stuff. There wasn't a whole lot to that one, but but quick and simple on a Friday, so I'll take it. I just want to take a second to just say once again, I've said it a lot, but thank y'all so much for all the support. Each and every day and each and every video posted, I get so much support, and I just appreciate it so much, guys. And I just love doing this channel, doing these videos for y'all. So thank y'all for the ones that show up each and every video and like and comment. It just means a lot. So I'm happy to do it, and I enjoy it, and can't wait for many more videos to come. So but that'll about do it for this one, guys. We'll see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for watching.